And welcome back everybody to a new video. I hope you all like the video that I dropped Wednesday, which is, well, kind of today. I dropped it today and I'm recording today, but I'm dropping this on Sunday. But anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed the video that I just dropped a few hours ago with the IG live that I had with one of my homies that I had met on IG through a friend. We had a pretty good talk about human made sneakers, what else, like rappers and their clothing brands and stuff like that, and just having a good conversation and having everybody else included within the conversation that we had. So hopefully there'll be many more of those coming down like the pipeline and in the future of me doing some IG lives with Style by JP. So I can't promise, but it could happen again. So if y'all enjoyed it, let me know. So anyway, be sure to like, comment, subscribe down below. I would greatly appreciate it. Y'all been killing it lately. My watch time been going up. I'm just trying to put it in my brain that I'm gonna get 1,000 subscribers next year, and I'm gonna get my 4,000 hours of watch time. And I just can't. And it's just all because of y'all for the support and pushing me to keep making these videos. Thank you again. I know I say this at the beginning of every video, but I don't know how many times I can say thank you to everybody that's been supporting, motivating, and pushing me to continue to do this. And I'm spending a lot of money, but it's cool, but the money coming right back, and I'm really not losing out on anything. Also, follow me on Instagram at mattxi.exe, which is mac11.execute. So feel free to follow me, hit me up in the DMs, like my pictures, like my posts, hit me up, like watch my stories, all that shit, just all that. Enjoy it. But anyway, new video, got some stuff that came in. Finally, it all came in. It came in like in increments, if that makes sense. Like I got one item, then I got the next item, then I got the next item when I ordered all at the same time. But everybody been having an issue since the Birdie and Human Made, well, the Girls Don't Cry and Human Made collab they had dropped like 2 or 3 weeks ago, and everybody was getting shit like they'll probably get one item one week and then get the next item the next week, which was weird. I don't know. But everything finally came in. I could finally open it because I've been sitting in my damn crate for about a week. So finally I can get some of this stuff unboxed and put up. And I got some more stuff coming next week and a week after and all that shit. And it's just a lot of good things coming that I got planned for y'all. And next week I will be dropping a video letting you all know what to expect on my channel next year. So be on the lookout for that. That should be coming on Wednesday. That video is coming Wednesday on an update on my channel. So without further ado, let's get right into this unboxing. All right, as you all can read from the title, this is a Human Made and Girls Don't Cry collab. And I finally was able to get something from this collab because I missed it before and I took one L, but I took W's on everything else that I got right now. And it sucks. I wish I would have hurried up and bought the damn t-shirt because I thought the t-shirts were gonna be like manufactured through Warehouse & Co., which was the Human Made t-shirts are made from. And I thought it was gonna be like the same size, like they're gonna use those t-shirts, but they didn't. I found out they were gonna use like just regular like blank tees, like Gildan type tees, I believe. Probably not Gildan, but the tees that Human Made used, they were not using, so they would use like a different tee. So I was like kind of skeptical on cop because I was gonna get a large, but I remember in my head like, why would I get a large when the Human Made tees fit like smaller than what you would normally expect? But I took an L because the t-shirt actually fit true to size the Human Made and Girls Don't Cry t-shirt. I did a whole bunch of talking just then. But yeah, I took an L on that t-shirt, but it's all cool. But I'm gonna show y'all what I got, and I took an L kinda on this, but I'll show y'all what it is that I kinda sorta, the second L that I took, but it's cool because I'm gonna flip it anyway. So the first thing that I got, well, I'll just unbox for y'all, which would be this. Oh, that's too bright. Hold up. Which would be this hat from the collab that they did. It says the future is in the past. So yeah, let's get the focus. There it is. So this is hat that I cop. I wanted to get it in black and white, but that shit sold out so quick. Well, it didn't really sell out quick. I don't know what the hell my mind was at. I was trying to get the black one, something happened, and then I tried to get it again, something happened, and I went back, it sold out. So I had got the white instead, and again, this is what it says on the front. All is embroidered, so it's not printed on. And on the back, it has the Human Made heart. I have B-roll for y'all to see that even up close. And on the back as well, on a little, I box slash clasp. It just says human made with the human made heart with the 3 dashes on it. But yeah, also on the inside, I don't know why I'm showing it. I'm gonna show B-roll. But on the inside, this is come on, focus. There it is. This is what it looks like on the inside tag. So you know your shit legit and real. So yeah, this is the first item I got. I will not be putting this on because I will be reselling this. So I'll be reselling this hat. I've been seeing the prices on GRAILED. They're going for like $150 for the black and white. So I'm gonna try to probably undercut just a little bit. So if it goes for $150, I probably sell for like $130 and see how it goes from there. So this is the first item I got for the Human Made Girls Don't Cry collab. So I got a lot more shit to unbox. Let's get to the other shit. That actually went in, damn. All right, so this is the second item that I got. This one came in the other day, and I forgot to open it up. And this is kind of heavy. It's 3 items in this one little box. So let's go with the first item. Okay. So the first. So again, all of this is Girls Don't Cry and Human Made collab. That's all this is. So, as you all can see, I have another Thermos. Gotta turn this down again. Hold up. So the other item that I have is this focus. There it is. This Thermos. And again, it said the same thing on the Thermos as it does on a hat. It says the future is in the past. So I guess that's the saying that they got going on. And it says Girls Don't Cry in a Human Made Heart, showing the collab that he was doing together. Again, I have B-roll of all of this, and it's gonna be right next to the other ones that I have down here. Yo, so this is my fourth Thermos that I copped. I wish they made it a little bit more bigger, but it's cool, it's fine. And yeah, glad that I copped it. Let's get to the next shit. So I don't know if I made a mistake or not on this order. I don't know if I ordered 1 or 2 of these. I probably ordered 1. I don't know. I probably mistakenly bought 2 by mistake. But it's cool. I may sell 1. Yeah, I'm gonna sell the other one. So more money back in my pocket. You feel me? So this is the item that I got. Let me turn this down again. Again, it says Human Made on this thing right. Oh, again, Human Made Heart. Girls Don't Cry in it. And again, it says the future is in the past. The same saying on this cup. And again, this is a glass cup. It's not plastic, so and it got weight to it. It's not light at all. So I will be keeping this one, but I will be selling the other one. I don't feel like there's a reason for me to open the other one that I got. It just seemed kind of useless. The same thing, but I'm just reselling it. So if y'all want this one, hopefully you can get it before the time you know what? If y'all want this, let me know. I'll give y'all a better price than what they're selling online of the other cup that I got. So if y'all are interested, hit me up on IG or yeah, hit me up on IG in the DMs if y'all want this cup and I give you a price. And if the price is good, then I sell it to you. So anyway, let's get to the last and final item. Yeah. And the last item, I'm pretty sure you already know was in this box because I've been getting a lot of these boxes of late and it don't have no Human Made branding on it. So when I say that, you know what's in this box. If you've been watching my previous videos, you know what's in this box. If you watched my last video, you know what's in this box just from the look of this box because they don't have Human Made branding. And I'm trying to cut my damn self open with this damn butcher knife. There it is. See, there's one thing I hate about doing this YouTube shit. So much shit I gotta clean up right afterward. And I just threw away a lot of these damn boxes that I had bought. Ooh, let's get it. I like when I do that. Hold up. There it is. Anyway. So anyway, the final item that I got. Yeah. Let me turn it down. Hold up. Wait. Nope. Too bright. There it is. Okay. Yeah. And what's on the seal? Can't really see it. If y'all see it, I don't know what's on there. So, what is that? The duck is upside down. There it is. So, this is, again, with the bubble wrap, with the heart-shaped bubbles. Dope shit. I always like. Oh, that's dark. I'm black as hell. There it is. So, anyway. Ooh. This is the last one. Yes, sir. Final item that I got. Here it is. There it is. So now I gotta pop that. Raise these latches. You see the inside, I gotta fold them sides down. Lock it. Lock it. Yeah. So this is the Human Made Girls Don't Cry crate. Got my 4th crate. Hell yeah. I'm telling y'all, boy. I'm taking this shit serious, y'all. I'm taking it serious because I'm really enjoying this. I'm really enjoying it. I love this collecting shit. It's fun. So this Human Made Girls Don't Cry crate, and of course you say Human Made Girls Don't Cry by Verdi, Human Made by Nigo. So this one has the ducks on the top, and this shit didn't even lock in place down here. Damn it. I'll do it later. Hold on, I'll do it now. It's gonna bother me if I don't do it. There it is. There it is. So, there we go. So, yeah. Again, it just says Human Made on the sides right here. I have B-roll for y'all to look at. And at the top, it says, what the hell do it say? Okay. It said gear for futuristic teenagers on top using the Girls Don't Cry script. And, yep, there'll be more storage, more storage, more storage. And, oh, I ain't noticed. On this side, it says just regular, what, Human Made. And on this side, it has the, God damn, I gotta turn it down some more. And this side, it says Girls Don't Cry within a Human Made heart. So, yeah, I'm just so excited I've been able to cop this because this shit sold out really quick. And they had a whole bunch of other shit they had collabed on. And this is a, what is this, 20? Hold on, how big it is? Like this, damn it, it popped out. That's what she said. This is the 20 liter. Yeah, I got two 20 liters. I got 50, I think 50-ish liter. And did I say millimeter again? Well, this 20 liter, I think 50, 74 liter down there. So now the collection is growing with the crates. Can't go wrong with the crates. I'm telling y'all, you can't go wrong with the crates. So anyway, thank y'all for watching. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe down below. I would greatly appreciate it. I got a lot more stuff coming for you all. Yeah, it's gonna be a dope ass year come next year. Oh my God, I just ordered something that's one of my favorite shoes, one of my favorite brands of shoes I copped. I was able to cop. And I'm so damn happy that it's coming. I got it for a really good price. So I have a video on that probably after Christmas. It should be in because I work at the post office and whew, that mail is bagged up. So I don't know when I'm gonna get my damn shoes. But anyway, thank you all for watching. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I drop a video. Also, be sure to follow me on Instagram at mattxi.exe. And I'm out and I'll catch y'all next video. Peace.